She moved into her grandmother's old house after she passed away. Every night she heard faint knocks on her bedroom door, always at 3:15 in the morning. When she checked, no one was there. One night, determined to catch the prankster, she stayed awake. At exactly 3:15, the knocking began. This time she rushed to open the door, but the hallway was empty. Relieved but shaken, she turned back to her room. On the wall above her bed, written in fresh red letters, were the words, "Stop opening the door." But here's the terrifying part. Her grandmother's death certificate showed she had died at 3:15 in the morning, right outside that same room. Would you spend a night there? Follow for more chilling horror stories.